In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create a Facebook page. For that, you must have a Facebook profile, and through your profile, you will be able to create a business page. Facebook profile is for personal use, and when you want to present any of your business online through Facebook, you need to create a dedicated Facebook business page for that business. How can you do that? It's quite simple and easy. For that, just log into your Facebook profile. On the left hand side, you can see the pages option is present. You can click over here and can create the page from this button, create new page, and in the center you will see all the pages that you already have created. The other way is see all profiles, and here scroll down. Here is a button create. So you can start creating your page or your profile from here. Click on it. You will be having an option that you want to create a personal profile or a public page. Facebook has introduced this option to create more personal profile under one main personal profile. Compare option. Here you can see that two ways to make new connections, a personal profile or a public page. Connect with friends, that is important, and in personal profile you can connect to the friends. In personal profile you can connect with your friends. In public page you can create ad, monetize your content if eligible, and view insights and more. And you can also share the access to other, they can manage your ads and other content. In your personal profile you will not be having these two options. If you are creating another personal profile, so you can click on this option and follow the steps. This tutorial is about creating a public page for a business, so we will click on this option. Right now let's begin with the public page creation. Okay, let's click on next to create a public page. Get started. You will be landed to this type of page. Here you can see it's the laptop view and this is the mobile view. Let's select this one because I'm using laptop right now. Create a page. Just give a name to your page. Let's say I'm creating this page for bags. So I'm giving this page a name. The category is shopping. You can change the category of your page anytime. I'm writing randomly in the bio. Press the button create. You can see the preview of your page here. If you have a website, you can write over here. I don't have right now, so I'm just skipping it. You can later on add any site of your business here. Add your business number here. You can add your email here. For example, I'm just writing a random. It's a good practice to create an email ID of your business name if you don't have a website. Once you have your website and you have set your business, you may have your email ID on your domain. For example, info at bagsandbags.com. But right now, as I don't have the website, I can use any Gmail ID, but it's a good practice to use the name of your page for your email ID. Add the address, city, all can be customized later on. All can be customized later on. You can skip or you can add it. Press next. Now you can add your profile picture and cover photo. This one is known as the profile picture and this rectangle box is known as your cover photo. Let's create with a random image. For example, there is a particular aspect ratio for the cover page and for the DP. There is a playlist of Canva in the channel. You can go and watch that, in which I have explained how to create Facebook cover page. You can see the preview of your page here. Right now you have 0 followers. The page is shopping service and I have written a random number and email ID. Now press the next button. There is an option to connect your WhatsApp number. It's a good practice to connect your WhatsApp number with your business page. It increases the credibility. Right now I'm just skipping. Now my page is almost ready. I can invite the friends. Of course, these are those friends which are in my profile. You can see on the right corner, this is my profile. If I click invite friends, those friends will be of this profile. Do you want to see the notifications on your page? You can on it. I used to keep it on so that will be I will be keep updated myself with the notifications of the page. I don't want to have any promotional or marketing emails or notifications, so I just keep it off. Press done. Now this is the look of your page, and as you have created it, so you will be having this pop-up to take a tour how to use the Facebook page. Let's take a tour. It will show you how can you switch between the profile and the page. With this manage button, you can see the insights of the page and manage different options. By using this manage button, you can see the insights like top performing content of your page and ads. This home button will show you that you can explore other bags and bags like pages and IDs. Press done. This is the look of your page now. On the left hand side, you will be having this professional menu here. First is professional dashboard. The other one inside ad center, create ads, settings, and business suite. In the center, you are having your page. If you want to change the cover photo, you can click over here, edit, and start change, changing it. You can choose a cover page from your existing. For example, let's say I choose this one. I can drag it or and save changes. Or if you want, you can upload from your computer, reposition the same image. Let's say I am going to change its position like this. These are the tabs which are common in the profile and in the page also. Post, about, mention, reviews, followers, photos, and more. Post is our main page here, and if I click on about, I can see about the page, all the information about the page, and I can also edit it. If I want to edit the category, I can click on the edit and can change here. If I want to add some privacy policy or legal info, I can click over here and add the link. I can add the workplace or education, place lived, places lived. Page transparency is important because whenever we are having any client who asks us to manage his page, we first check its page transparency, from where we can get the information, the date of creation, how many admins are there, and this page is running ads or not currently. Similarly, you can add family and relationships here, details about you, more details if you want to add, or your life event also. In the contact and basic info, there is one more important button, websites and social links. Websites and social links. If you want to add the website, you can click over here plus and add the website. If you are having social links like you have Instagram, Threads, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, TikTok, or so many others are given over here. If you already have some of these platform IDs of the business bags and bags, so you can add over here. Let's say in Instagram, I have created a, let's say, I save it. If I click on the post again, go back to the page, here you can see bags and bags Instagram. This social link is present over here, and if I click over here it will open it in the next window, but as it is a fake Instagram ID there will be no page. In this way you have added the social link here. There is a difference between adding and linking the different accounts. I will let you know what is the difference. Look here, link your WhatsApp account, connect your Instagram profile. This is entirely different from here. Here you are just adding the social links, but here you are connecting Instagram profile with the page, and here you are connecting and linking your WhatsApp account with the page. If you want to add more details, click details, edit details, and add more information. Now look here on the left hand side, professional dashboard. When there is a arrow sign, it will be going to open the page in the next window. It will be open the page in the next tab, and if there is no arrow sign, it will open in the same tab. So I want it to be open in the other window. Light I will click the right button of mouse and click on open in new tab. This is how the professional dashboard looks like. Welcome to the professional dashboard. Here you can see your post reach, post engagement and new page likes. These type of insights are very useful when you are working for clients because your clients need reports of their page growth. So from where you can get the pages growth? So from where you can get the information from professional dashboard. Here first button in the menu is home. If you click home, you will go back to the same page, this one. Your page, this will show you the stats of your page. Click over here. You can have all the information in a very settled way, and you can create a post from here also. In the content menu, it will show you what content you already have created, or here you can choose the duration. For example, for the last 7 days, what content has been produced for last 60 days. We don't have many posts here, but you can choose different options when your page is running. In audience, you should have at least 100 followers to be able to see the information about your audience. Ad center will let you start creating ad for your page. For example, if I click over here, this is the ad center. From here you can start creating the ads for your page, or you can see the progress of your previous ads for this page on this menu. Invite people to connect. So it will tell you that you are using this profile, and if I continue I will be able to invite my friends for to this page. I will be able to invite my friends to like this page. The important option is page access. When you click here, you will be landed to this page. I am the only person who has the full access of this page. If I click add over here, I can click new people, next. With the email or with the Facebook ID or email, you can have a list of people, and from here you can select anyone to be a new admin of this page. Here, if you there are many options. If I click over here, I will be giving the complete admin access to that person, and that person will be able to delete the page also and can remove me also. If I do not click on this button, the person will be able to create, manage, or delete the post stories of the page as the page, and can message and call as page, or can do the community activities, or even can run the ads and see the insights of my page. So if I click over here, whenever you are giving full access to someone, be sure that the person will be having the full access as you and can remove you from the page. And if you want to remove any person, just click on these three dots, remove access, and then you need to give your password to complete the action. There are more options, we will discuss this later on. Let's move back to the settings. If I click on the settings here, I will be having this page. Here I can change the name of the page. I can edit the name of the page and can add other names also, and I can edit the username also. For example, I want to give it a name, bags and bags. This is not available.